Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Come on, Bitcoin, do something. That's exactly how it feels right now. Since the weekend began, Bitcoin has been stuck in a tight range around 84.2 thousand. On Friday, we saw a dip down to 83.1 thousand, tapping into the long liquidation leverage cluster, before bouncing right back to this key level. The 1-hour chart shows the 21, 50, and 200 EMAs tightening up, signaling a potentially explosive breakout in either direction. In the short term, I lean slightly bearish. We could dip down, sweeping the long liquidation cluster marked in red between 83 and 82,000. But after that, I'm expecting a bounce. If we break the blue dotted resistance line at 84.6 thousand, the next target is the short liquidation pocket between 86.5 and 87,000. Checking the 3-day liquidation heat map, we can see how liquidation levels have evolved. Bulls have stacked more 10 to 15 times high leverage, long positions around 83 to 82,000. But here's the twist. Over the weekend, a new wave of bulls entered with lower leverage at around 81,000, possibly indicating more cautious midterm swing traders. The bears, on the other hand, are piling up higher leverage shorts. On Friday, we only saw heavy short interest between 86.5 and 87,000. Over the weekend, more aggressive short positions appeared around 84.5 to 85.7 thousand. It looks like the bears are risking more, while the bulls are playing it safer. This usually means the bears get wrecked first because the market often punishes the riskier, dumb money. However, markets can stay irrational longer than you can stay liquid, so manage your risk. I've placed another limit long above the blue dotted line, aiming to trade the upside breakout. But let's not get too comfortable. The 2-week liquidation heat map shows a massive cluster at 81,050, with $785 million in potential liquidation. That's a scary level. In other news, let's zoom out. A macro Bitcoin chart from mid-2020 to early 2025 tells a fascinating story. Bitcoin hit 69,000 in late 2021 before crashing to 16,000 during the FTX collapse. Now it's sitting at 96,000 in early 2025. The orange line shows yearly supply changes, peaking around 300 to 350,000 Bitcoin in 2021 alongside the price top. By 2025, supply changes dropped to 172,705 Bitcoin, moving in sync with price trends. Purple bars reflect the market impact of new coins in USD, swinging from 400,000 in bull runs to negative 400,000 during crashes like FTX. Historically, Bitcoin's price rises with higher supply changes and falls when supply shrinks. Exactly what we saw during the FTX crisis. Right now, market demand for Bitcoin is strong, resembling the post-FTX collapse when the bear market bottomed out. What do you think? Are we setting up for another big move? Let me know your thoughts below. I'll keep you updated daily. Join our free Discord, press the like button, and subscribe with the notification bell on. And see you in the next one.